Perhaps if those bleeding dwarves didn't mean so much.
Darling? Yarrow girl?
It was her, wasn't it? The monster. Oh, is that really you?
Little Yarrow girl. Grown up, flower-headed girl.
What have they done?
She looks at you with hatred etched deeply in the lines of her face.
I didn't want any of this. Ha! I'd die 1,000 deaths before I'd see this go unpunished.
She looks at her father and manages a small smile.
As am I. There were always rumors about the hammer. Dallas, that is. What she was doing with the prisoners she hauled off to her fortress. Why they never joined the rank and file thereafter. I suppose now I know. It's strange. It almost reminds me of the creatures Dallas keeps at her side. Sometimes you hear a kind of muttering beneath their masks.
She reaches out to touch her father's hand. He withdraws it quickly before remembering himself and reaching out to Yarrow again.
I had no idea. What a fool I am. Wait, before you go. You've helped us a great deal today. Let me help you too. I have a little gold on me, and take this key. I'll show you where you can use it. It opens a door leading into the fort that may help you get out of this wretched place. It isn't too late for you. Not yet. Papa? What's happened? What have they done to you?
Darling? Yarrow girl?
It was her, wasn't it?
Aglow with flames and glistening slime, the strange beast looks at you almost expectantly.
all right. I just... They do terrible things here. If they think for a second I'm trying to escape again, they'll do to me what they did to him. Shh! You can't escape. Don't you know what's outside the fort? I tried to leave. I heard of a shelter in the hollow marshes, a place where sorcerers could go. The undead had their hands on me in 5 minutes. Shredding, tearing. I came limping back and now... Not seen. Heard. There's a man over there. They tortured him, questioned him. Seekers, something about Godwoken. He didn't know anything, but they didn't care. I heard his screams. I heard something eating him from the inside. No. It can't happen to me. It can't. Wait! Where are you going? What are you doing? Poor thing. Poor fool. I hope it's an easy death then. Decapitation. Yes, I do wish that for you. No, take care. Take care.
Aeromage. What is this place? Voidwoken, we meet again.
Vermin, fiends, pests. This world is ours. Fall, die, pass away. Your essence feeds us. Squash the vermin. Hang the thief. Ours. Ours. You are ours. We are the
More
many
of them?
and the all.
These beasts are
We
damn
were
persistent.
first. We were first. We are the beginning and the end. We will return.
They can keep calling us vermin, but we'll just keep putting them down. For me.
There you are, Lohse.
There I am, but who the holy hells is that?
Your gaze wanders over the solemn stone face that overlooks the shore. For the briefest of moments, it seems as if its eyes come alive and lock with yours. The eyes, stone grey, turn pale green. They mesmerize, then enchain, then lure you in.
That shrine seems to have brought me here. What is this place? There you are. You found me.
The amorphous figure takes hold of both your hands and squeezes them.
You look... You look so good. How are you, darling? Of course you are. We're taking very good care of each other, aren't we? So, how do I look?
Within the shimmer of their changing form, the familiar lines of your own face take shape.
Are you sure? Look deeper, Lohse. Beyond our face. It is so good to meet you, darling. From the outside this time. Don't get me wrong, it's divine in that body of yours, but somewhat constrictive. So, now that we're familiar, shall we get down to business? I thought you were supposed to be fun. If I'd expected such a sour attitude, I might have chosen my host differently.
A feeling looms inside you. You try to tamp it down, but it's expanding from your belly outward, down into your toes, up through your hands and into your fingertips. A single thought pulses upward into your mind.
Wouldn't your eyes look good ripped out and stuck to the wall?
You feel a sudden, irresistible urge to dig into your eyes with your own hands.
Come now, Lohse. Don't you want to play?
The figure hisses loudly through its teeth.
Why do you want me to hurt you? Listen to me, and listen well if you want to stay alive. I don't need you, but I chose you because you're strong, because you are receptive, because you have what it takes to reclaim a new life for both of us. Together, we can do anything, everything. Now, if I let you stand up, do you promise to behave? What a disappointment you are. What do you want, you child? Do you really think you're in a position to demand anything? Good. Listen carefully. This is the Hall of Echoes. A vision of it, at least. We're here because there's something you need to know. A great power within you that we need to unlock. You'll need to master this power if you're going to make it off the island. And this you must do. Everyone else on the island is chaff. Toss them away when you're done with them. Good. We don't need anyone but each other. Let me show you.
The figure waves its hands, and a great power swells within you. You feel the electric thrum of an unknown magic tingling in your fingertips.
You may have noticed incredible things happening on your journey. Water beneath your feet aiding you, for instance. It was I who channeled that power within you. You are the source. I am the catalyst. And this is only the beginning. Together, we can unlock even greater powers within you. You are God-woken. But the gods are too busy fighting each other and tempting more interesting champions to notice you. That's where I come in. With my help, you'll be capable of so much more than strumming a lute for a few gold coins. First, you've got to get off this island, at any cost. Do you understand? I didn't save you from that shipwreck just to see you drown in a puddle on this blasted island. You're welcome. Now, do show a little gratitude, won't you? We cannot fail, Lohse. You and I are unique in all the world. You'll see. I'll show you.
The figure lays its hands on your shoulders, looks in your eyes, and smiles.
You can do this. Careful now. That's a trap.
These skulls crumble to dust after one use.
Well, that doesn't look ominous at all.
Another skull crumbled to bits.
Go on, speak! That's why you're here, isn't it?
It isn't right.
All right, now. Isn't right to save the entire realm from divine, damned chaos? Can't let them go! This is our only hope against the Void Woke.
The color wells back into the Magister's cheeks, and his wounds knit together into solid flesh.
I feel it at work upon me already. Thank you, my friend. That is what separates you from the Divine Order. There is a waterway, a boat. Hand me a map. It isn't far. You'll meet some associates of mine. Tell them Madame Zur sent you, and they'll let you pass. No, I imagine not. She's the headmistress of an orphanage in the far north. She keeps sorcerer children safe from the Divine Order. I can think of no nobler soul in all the realm. With her help, we've saved countless children from Dallas and Alexander, and we aim to save many more.
Enough to matter, not enough to stage a coup. The Voidwoken have people terrified, not only for their lives, but for the very air they breathe, the sun that shines upon them.
Dallas and Alexander offer a solution. People need solutions at a time like this, no matter the consequences. Some people, anyway. You've given me a second life. I won't soon squander it, or forget what you've done. Thank you. I'm healed. Thank you, my friend. I will settle this debt.
The dog's tail wags frantically. Suddenly, it grows very still and starts to growl. It inches towards you, teeth bared, as though ready to bite, when it suddenly stops. Its tail starts to wag again. Suddenly, it lunges.
It's everything to do with the Paladins. You sully the Divine's name with this place.
The Divine would want the world free of Voidwoken.
If you're harming them in here, we'll...
We can. Pretty soon we'll